Hey there, so I'll quickly show you how does Find My ICP work here. Okay, I'm already logged in using my Google account here, personal account that I use. So after logging in, you will see the screen which is about install Find My ICP Chrome extension. You need to click on this go to Chrome store button and let's say install the Chrome add the Chrome extension to your browser. I have already added it to my browser, so I don't need to do this. Once you install this extension, then you need to navigate to the luma.com or Luma event page. Here, like we have this button, so I'll quickly use this to navigate to luma.com/home. And here you can see like we can see all of these events. We need to currently this extension only works where our status is going. Also, the attendee list, or let's say the people who will be there for this event should be visible. So if you see here, the status for this event is invited. I need to accept this event, and also like the attendee list should be visible. Then only it will work. As you can see, all of these events I've been invited and I haven't accepted. So, but for this, like only two people are there. So let's say I'll skip this and let's say we'll work on this for now for testing. Open Lakehouse and AI, which is like the my status is going, and there are somewhere around 79 plus folks. We need to open the events page here specifically, and then only the extension will work. Once you're on this page, then you need to open the extension and click on this. You can probably pin this extension so that it's always easier, and click on the get event data. Once you like do this, then you will receive a Google sheet with all the attendee data that will be there. This attendee data will have enriched data points. So I'll close this and let's say open the Gmail account that I used for logging in to find my ICP. Okay, so here you can see like I just received this Google sheet, and in this sheet we had around like in this event we had around 85 people going, and you can quickly verify, okay, we have all the 85 people's data here in this sheet. And this data, like data points like job title, company name, company size, all of this will get updated. As you can see, like some around 10 rows just got updated. This can take anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes depending on the size of data. So yeah, that's how it works. Thank you.